In this video, we're going to cover how to cut and install door casing. At this point in the project, you should have your door jamb installed and your door hung. Here are the tools that you'll need for this project: tape measure, level, miter saw, brad nailer, wood filler, a pencil, a quick square, and carpenter's glue. When starting your casing, you're going to want to start with your top piece. Measure the top of the door frame inside to inside edges and add 1/4 inch to accommodate for an 1/8 inch reveal on either side. This measurement will be from the shortest point of one miter cut to the other. For the side measurements, measure from the floor to the underside of the top door jamb and add 1/8 inch. This measurement will be from the square edge at the bottom of the casing to the short point of the miter cut at the top. Now that you have your measurements, cut your 3 pieces, making sure to be as accurate as possible. Measure and mark a 1/8 reveal line on the front edge of the door jamb. Nail in the top piece of casing with only one nail on either side, setting it on the reveal line. Next, add glue to the miter cut on one of your side pieces. Now set the casing in place, ensuring that the miter meets properly and that it follows the reveal line. Once it's in place, make sure to nail the casing both to the framing and to the door jamb, approximately every 12 inches. Aim to drive the nails into the grooves of your casing profile if applicable, to help hide the nail holes after. Repeat for the other side. You are now ready to fill the nail holes with wood filler and paint your casing.